Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope that you all are fine and doing good. Today we will do our reading book work from page number 15 to 20. First we will do open page number 15, mark date and day. It's your work from week number 3. Look at page number 15, that here is reading for comprehension vocabulary we have done in your NEET registers. Now we will do text patterns. Here the text patterns has only one point. The main idea of the text is, यानी कि जो text का main idea क्या है? Trash, recycling, environment. The main idea of the text is trash. Part A. You will take the part A. Now open page number 16. At page number 16, look at grammar part. In grammar part, here are 2 points. 2 points are written: countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are the names of things, people, etc. which we can count. Countable nouns उस जगह या उस चीज़, उस शख्स को या उस शख्स के चीज़ या शख्स के नाम को कहते हैं जिनको हम काउंट कर सकें. जो काउंटेबल थिंग नाउन्स क्या होते हैं जिनको हम काउंट कर सकें. फॉर एग्जांपल बुक्स है, सिस्टर है, हॉर्स. दीज आर द थिंग्स दैट वी कैन काउंट. एंड अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स आर द नेम्स ऑफ थिंग्स विच वी कैन नॉट काउंट. अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स उनको कहते हैं जिनको हम काउंट ना कर सकें. अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स आर द नेम्स ऑफ थिंग्स विच वी कैन नॉट काउंट. फॉर एग्जांपल मिल्क, ऑयल, शुगर, एट्सेट्रा. Now open page number 16. Here is the exercise of countable and uncountable nouns. Part A you will not do. Part B. Complete the puzzles with the help of given clues. You have to complete the puzzle with the help of clues. First one is bees collected. What bees collect? Bees collect the honey, and you will write honey over here. We use it to make bread. We use it to make bread means कि हम इसको ब्रेड बनाने के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं, रोटी बनाने के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं. डैट इज़ फ्लोर. FLOUR, फ्लोर. दिस फ्रूट कीप्स द डॉक्टर अवे. इट इज़ द प्रोवर्ब. एंड एप्पल. आंसर इज एप्पल. APPLE, एप्पल. नंबर 4. वी ड्रिंक टी इन दैम. हम इनमें चाय पीते हैं. दैट आर कप्स. CUPS, cups. We drink it when we are thirsty. हम पीते हैं जब हम प्यासे होते हैं. That is water. Number 6. We use them to write with. इससे हम लिखते हैं. These are the pens. We use it to make sweets. हम इनसे मीठा बनाते हैं. What is sugar? We read them. हम इन्हें पढ़ते हैं. That are books. नंबर 9. चिल्ड्रन प्ले विद इट ऑन द बीच. बीच पर बच्चे इससे खेलते हैं. डैट इज सैंड. इट टेल्स अस द टाइम. ये हमें टाइम बताता है. क्लॉक. नाउ लुक एट पार्ट सी. नाउ क्लासीफाई द अबव नाउन्स इनटू काउंटेबल एंड अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स. अब आपने काउंटेबल और जो ऊपर दिए गए हैं काउंटेबल और अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स उनको आपने क्लासीफाई करना है, डिवाइड करना है कि वट are countable and which are countable and which are uncountable. Apple, cups, pens, books, clock are countable nouns, and honey, flour, water, sugar and sand, these are the things which we cannot count, so you will write in uncountable nouns. Clear? Now open page number 18. Fill in the blanks using a or an where necessary. I think all of you know the idea of a or an. You have to write where a is required and where an is required. Dash student is in the classroom. A student is in the classroom. Dash food is in the cupboard. A food is in the cupboard. Dash paper is in my bag. A paper is in my bag. Dash inkpot is on the table. An inkpot is on the table. Dash boy is in the car. A boy is in the car. Dash apple is in the plate. An apple is in the plate. These are the indefinite articles. You can see in the green sub part of the page number 18, at the side of this topic, are and an are called indefinite articles. These are the indefinite articles. They are used before singular countable nouns. For example, a man, an engine, etc. We do not use are and before uncountable nouns. Is that clear? We always use a or an with countable nouns. We will not use our and with before uncountable nouns. And is that clear to you all? And the second concept of our and is that an is used with the vowels and a is used with the consonants. Now look at another topic, adverbs of frequency. Adverb of frequency show how often an action is done, कि कितनी बार एक अमल को किया गया है. Always हमेशा, usually आमतौर पर, often कम कम, किसी अक्सर, sometimes बाज़-औक़ात, never कभी नहीं. Tick the right ball after each statement, and this exercise you will do, this part you will do by yourself. Is that clear to you all? You have to take the options always, usually, often, sometimes, never by reading the statement. Is that clear to you all? Now open page number 19. Look at simple present tense. The topic is simple present tense. Simple present tense describes general statements or acts that are habitual. Simple present tense जो है वो क्या डिस्क्राइब करता है, जो काम हो रहा होता है. ठीक है ना. वी ऑल्सो यूज सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस वेन एवर वी टॉक अबाउट आवर हैबिट्स और डेली रूटीन्स. वी यूज़ बेस फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. इसमें हम बेस फॉर्म यूज़ करते हैं. मीन्स के सिंपल फॉर्म ऑफ फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब वी विल यूज़ इन दिस टेंस. Now look at part F. Underline some simple present form of verb from the following sentences. You have to underline simple form of verb from the following sentences. Number 1 is lots of people come here for fun, for work and for enjoyment, and when they go back home they leave behind a mountain of smelly trash and dirty rubbish. You can see that I have underlined the present form of verbs come, go and leave in the first sentence. Number 2. Many people think that it is all right to litter as it is the duty of sweepers to keep the area clean. Many people think, litter and keep are the words which are present form of verbs, and you have to underline these words. Number 3. Wherever we go, we create a mess. And here is go and create. You will underline the words go and create. Rotten fruits and decaying foodstuffs emit poisonous gases and bad smell which are extremely harmful for our health. In fourth sentence only you will underline the word emit. This is only the emit is only the present form of verb. Is that clear? Now look at part G. Take the right option. It is also the exercise of simple present tense. They never dash to see us. Come or comes. Come will, you will write come on the blank. I always dash my teeth twice a day. Clean or cleans. Clean is the right answer. This train often dash late. Arrive or arrives. Arrives is the right answer. Our team never dash. Lose or loses. Loses. You will write loses in the blank. Salma never dash the library. Salma never visits the library. You will write visits. Now open page number 20, and in page number 20 here is the topic of punctuation. You know that what is punctuation. Comma is used to separate items in a list. In punctuation you will only do the point of comma. Comma is used to separate items in a list, the last of which is usually introduced by and. कॉमा जो है वो हम क्यों तब यूज़ करते हैं जब हमने किसी भी लिस्ट आइटम्स की लिस्ट को सेपरेट करना हो, और जो लास्ट वन जो उस लिस्ट का पार्ट होता है उसको हम एंड के साथ इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं. इज दैट क्लियर टू यू ऑल व्हाट इज़ कॉमा एंड व्हाई वेयर वी यूज़ कॉमा? Part H we will not do. Now look at part I. Rewrite the sentences given below using commas where needed. You have to mark commas in your reading book. India, comma, Pakistan, comma, China and Singapore are Asian countries. Here are roses or comma, orchards, comma, sunflowers and lilies in the basket. Number 3. Mrs. Khan buys apples, comma, oranges, comma, peaches and watermelon. Number 4. There are many cars, comma, buses and trucks on the road. Number 5. There are chairs, comma, a table, comma, a cupboard and a television in the room. Is that clear to you all? I hope that you will understand my lecture clearly. If you have to complete your reading book work in from page number 15 to 20. If you find any difficulty regarding your reading book work, you can ask me. Take care. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.